Hello, I'm testing my Samsung Galaxy S21 slow motion feature, which is 1080p and 240 frames per second. So in this case, you see a grasshopper, and I'm gonna try to get close to the grasshopper. It's a beautiful afternoon, sunny, and you can see the grasshopper back legs moving. It's moving in. Oh, look like it's ready to do something. Oh, I didn't see that there was a second grasshopper that it chase off. So I'm gonna try to approach grasshopper and to see that it will take a flight. So I'm getting closer, and you can see that the rear leg is moving. Oh, it just fly off. For the second video, you can see that the butterfly is hovering, over some clover leaf, and oh yeah, you can see the wing is fluttering, and I should, try to get a bit more close up to catch it. Is more close on actions. In this case, is it? Oh, there you go. It's taking flight, and you can see the shadow that's moving across the leaf. And I try to follow the butterfly flight pattern. There you go. You can see a little bit hovering, and it's kind of like a veer off. For the third video, we got the bee here, and it's flying around the flower, and you can see that the slow motion able to capture its wing, flapping, and as it get close to the flower. Yeah, in this case, I wish I had used the zoom to get more close up into the bees. Perhaps in the next video I can try to improve it. But you can see the slow motion capture the clover leaf that moving. Yeah, see the bees fluttering wings, and it's pretty cool. It should be, you see, it's hovering around the lake, probably a lot of pollen, and yeah, there's another one on the lower left corner of the screen. Oh yeah, now the bee is hover away, and let's see here. Yeah, is it gonna go back to the same flower? Kind of. And then it's a veer off, searching for the next flower. So I'm trying to find it, but it's gone, went off screen. Where in the lower left corner I still have another beast, but the camera was not able to focus on it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this slow motion video. And if you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye.